Okay, everybody, I got the shocks off. I took up the slack from the rod end mount, added O-rings to the rod end mount. I sent the wrong jam nut, but now I've got a jam nut that's actually going to be able to hold counting pressure against the threads. And now I've got to take this needle and seat out here without losing any of my shock fluid and get it all back together, and then get this little check ball right here and spring back in the adjuster and back on just the rebound side. I'm just kind of loosening up the rebound side. If I remember the chart, this on full stiff is a little over half the Crusader AM valving. And then, of course, I'll be taking this bushing right here. I have to cut it out. I have to remove the E-clips and cut it out, and because it's really hard, I won't be able to push it through there. So remove those, kind of cut out one end of it, push it through, and then I think I can take the new one and just push it through, you know, grease it up and push it through there. All right. I'll get back with y'all later.